Hi DMC, I want to teach you the motions to a new song that we can use at chapel. Second grade rolled out this song a few weeks ago. It's called Deeper Still, and it talks about how God's love is as deep as the ocean, and once you taste a little bit of His grace and mercy and love for you, it leaves you on a trail wanting more and more and to be closer to Him. So it starts by saying beneath the surface. So you're going to make the surface of the ocean, and we're going to go push it down below the surface and then beneath the waves. Take those same wave hands and put them together and go all the way around. Where I was searching, and your eyes can follow your hands, where I was searching, and then to find a way, like that. So far we have below the surface, beneath the waves, where I was searching, to find a way. You point straight up, and then with that finger that's up, you're going to scoop it over. Found me. So it goes up. You found me. And that's verse 1. Okay, verse 2 says, in quiet waters, you can make the sparkle of that still quiet water. In quiet waters, you called my name. So you are pretending to be God, pulling His kids towards Him. You called my name. He's saying, come to me. You showed me mercy. You're going to give yourself a little hug. You showed me mercy, and then sway and sway back. You showed me grace. So far we have, in quiet waters, you called my name. You showed me mercy. You showed me grace. And then the same point up motion that goes, you found me. This time you do it 2 times. So keep this hand here. You're going to use the opposite hand. Jesus, you found me. And you're going to be right, both hands on your heart, ready for the chorus. Okay, here's the chorus. You're going to scoop your arm nice and big and slow into the ocean and end in a fist right by your shoulder. It goes, in the deep, hold it. You get to say it twice, and you use your other hand. In the deep, your love is breathing life back into me. L, we're going to use a little sign language. We're going to breathe life back into me. This is life. Okay, so far we have in the deep, your love is breathing life back into me. And now that I know how mercy feels, I want to go, and we get to scoop again, deeper. And then you're going to take your hands in slow motion, just push them down, still. We want to feel still and at peace. So the whole chorus says, in the deep, your love is breathing life back into me. And now that I know how mercy feels, I want to go deeper still. All right, just one more verse, and it starts off the same way. Below the surface, and then I'm finding truth. So the truth from God's mouth into the Bible is one way we can know His truth. So I'm finding truth, and then a greater purpose. So we're going to take that truth and give it up to the Lord, or just like you're giving your life to God for a greater purpose. A greater purpose I never knew. Slow motion finger wagging. Okay, so far we have below the surface, I'm finding truth, a greater purpose I never knew, and the rest is the same to finish this verse. Till you found me, Jesus, you found me. Great job. Now this song ends by singing the chorus one more time, and then it has a tag ending at the very end that just says, now that I know how mercy feels, I want to go deeper still, and it repeats that for a tag. Now that I know how mercy feels, I want to go deeper still. So the roadmap of the song is verse 1, verse 2, chorus, verse 3, chorus, tag ending. All right, join me in the next video and we'll put it all together with the music.